Hello, what's up you guys, it's David. Today I've got the key to the new MG ZS EV. We will have a look at the exterior, the interior and some cool features, like for example the updated digital cluster, the 360-degree camera system and the new user interface, and many more things. Now let's have a look. Now the front of the car has a typical electric snout. It has a closed grille with some fake air vents, of course. The lower part of the bumper is finished in chrome and detailed in gloss black. We've also got an aluminium finish roof bar. At the back of the car we have the same finish as of the front of the car, with some chrome and black gloss finish at the rear of the car, with of course fully LED lights. Now to open the trunk you can do that by your key or by pressing the MG badge. We've got electric windows, some storage room. A USB B and C port. An armrest with again two cup holders. And we got also the smart key function at the doors. The interior is finished in full black leather with some carbon detailing to the sides of it. Also on the doors and on the dashboard. It's finished in full red stitching. Now let's start up the car. On the left side of us we have got the control for the windows, control of the lights on the left side, and of course the wipers on the right side. We've got the horn in the middle and quite a sporty steering wheel. At the central console we've got an armrest with some storage room inside. We've got two cup holders, the electronic handbrake, and of course the automatic gearbox. Then above the automatic we have three buttons. Now the first button is the mode button, so whenever we press this it will make the shift from sport mode to normal mode and to eco mode. Next to it, we got a carriage button, and the carriage button basically means to adjust the regenerative system of the car. So we have three settings: 3, 2, and 1. Of course, on setting 3, that's the most regenerative system, so it will brake quite hard on this mode. And the final button is a button regarding to your battery system. So whenever you press this, your big screen will turn to a more informative system to give you more information about the status of your battery. We have also got wireless charging, of course, USB ports with a 12-volt connection, some buttons in regards to your infotainment system. So you've got the home button, so whenever you press this, you will go to your big screen with some different settings. Now, with every car, you have the possibility to connect your phone with the live function. So whenever you do that, you will have the opportunity to see the weather in live function. A button for the air conditioning. You have your radio, different users, so whenever different people will drive with the car. Connectivity for your phone. Vehicle settings. Let's check this out. So basically what you can do here is adjust some safety features, so personalize everything to your own situation, which is quite cool, to be honest. We got a quick button to your 360-degree camera system. And you can choose on the left side which aspect you want to see on the car. That's pretty cool. Now you have the possibility, if you have a video on your USB stick, to watch some sort of a film. Of course, that's only possible when the car is on parking modes. So for example, when you're charging the car, you can also check a movie inside the car. You've got settings. You can change the different themes, a dark theme or a light theme. And of course the air conditioning. You've got heated seats at the front. Then of course in front of us we have our new improved digital cluster of MG. On the left side of the steering wheel we got some basic buttons in regards to the use of the infotainment system. So to adjust the volumes, for example, a quick button for your phone. And on the right side we got the buttons to use the cluster. As you can see, it's very basic what you can do, but of course in regards to this price range, it's more than enough. This model is also equipped with a panoramic open roof. Now, considering the fact that this is a budget electric car, I really like the interior. The seats feel very comfortable. I like the layout of the dashboard. It's very clean, so I think that MG did a really great job with this car. I even like this handle, it reminds me of the Jaguar F-Type. So yeah, it's pretty nice. You've got the 4 hazards.